from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. Today I'm working on the 1986 Wellcraft Excalibur 27. I'm trying to get the engine started. This is my second attempt. Last attempt wouldn't start. I traced it down to no gas to the carburetor. And looking at the gas gauge, which said empty, I made the assumption that, well, maybe it wasn't quite that empty. I was wrong. It was quite that empty. So now I've added 5 gallons of gas, and we're going to try it again, see what happens. As you can see, the motor is running. We got it started. Basically got a garden hose in the C strainer, and we've got water going out the back. I've got the boat parked nose uphill, so the 5 gallons of gas is flowing through the back of the gas tank. And after pouring a little bit of gas in the carburetor, engine popped right off and ran. So well, engine's running, everything's running fine, came up the temperature, oil pressure's good, everything. Things I've got left, basically the fuel mixture gauge and the main drive trim indicator needs to be repaired. Well, this wraps up the episode on the engine start for the 1986 Wellcraft Excalibur 27. I hope you liked the episode. Please like and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.